Hello, let's practice reading some words together. First, we will slowly say the words together, and then we will say them more quickly. Here we go, starting with double consonant word practice. W, I, O, will, will. B, a, z, buzz, buzz, buzz. H, a, f, half, half, half. S, mess, mess, mess. F, I, O, fill, fill, fill. S, o, sell, sell, sell. F, s, fuss, fuss, fuss. S, moss, moss, moss. O, doll, doll, doll. F, puff, puff. Z, buzz, buzz, buzz. O, sill, sill. Fuzz, 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 fuzz. Okay, let's read them more quickly now. Will, buzz, huff, mess, fill, sell, fuss, moss, doll, puff, buzz, sill, fuzz. Excellent. Okay, we're going to move to our next section now, which is consonant, vowel, consonant, consonant, or CVCC word practice. We will do the same thing with these words. Here we go. T, n, t, tent, tent, tent. Lamp, 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 lamp. Gift, gift, gift. Ramp, 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 ramp. Tank, 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 tank. Lift, 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 lift. Limp, 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 limp. Land, 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 land. Jump, 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 jump. Bunk, 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 bunk. Dusk, 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 dusk. Okay, let's read these same words more quickly this time. Here we go. You can do this. Tent, lamp, gift, ramp, tank, lift, limp, land, jump, bunk, dusk. Great job today with your reading. You are doing amazing. You are becoming a true reader. Good job. You should be so proud of yourself. I hope you have an amazing day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Teaching with Deb. Bye for now.